KTVU's Christina Rendon joins us now live with more on the market volatility. Christina.
Yeah, Julie, this one has a lot of people talking. Trading apps cited market volatility as the reason they restricted people from buying these certain stocks that have been rising over the past few days. And that led to a lot of frustration and anger among retail investors.
It's known as the free market, but some investors are calling it market manipulation.
We were allowed to sell, but we're not allowed to buy. It doesn't seem fair. It doesn't seem right.
Thursday morning, trading apps including Robinhood, Webull, Stash, and others sent out tweets saying they restricted the ability to buy stock in GameStop, AMC, and more due to market volatility. The only option? Sell. GameStop shares peaked Thursday around $480, then dropped sharply as the buying halt happened.
People have the right to do what they want with their money, and it doesn't matter how risky the investment may be. It doesn't matter how volatile the stock may be. I don't think it's right for a platform to be limiting what people do with their money.
Reddit users who banded together on the thread Wall Street Bets have been driving up the price of stocks like GameStop and AMC, fighting back against hedge funds who've bet against those companies. Some users united again for an impromptu protest outside Robinhood's headquarters in Menlo Park. They report not being allowed to withdraw their money from the app. One user who wants to remain anonymous says his transaction was scrapped.
When I woke up this morning, they told me I canceled my further investment into Nokia, but I had never done such a thing.
Some investors say they believe hedge fund companies took advantage of restrictions to buy, forcing people to panic and sell off.
I think it's terrible that people can make money in this country by betting on a stock to lose. But it's legal. It's perfectly legal.
Business advisor and San Francisco State University professor Mitchell Lee Marks doesn't believe there is market manipulation, rather Robinhood and other brokerages trying to control the frenzy.
So if you look at it from the perspective of Robinhood, on the one hand, they're doing a service to their customers by stopping so that it doesn't continue to plummet. On the other hand, they're restricting the right of people to buy and sell stocks.
A class action lawsuit against Robinhood has already been filed in New York for restricting trading. Lawmakers like Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez called for an investigation into Robinhood and other trading platforms, and Republican Senator Ted Cruz agreed.
The American dream is to take a little bit of risk, but make something for yourself. And that's what people here did. And if you're limiting that, if you're stifling someone's opportunity for growth, it's just not right.
The CEO of Robinhood said today that the decision to halt trading was made to protect its users while also following legal obligations and requirements. And also in an email to its customers today, it said it will reopen buying on Friday, limited buys on Friday, but will also monitor and make adjustments as needed. Julie.